Hey everyone, it's Levi with Pro Charging Systems. Wanted to put together a brief video for you guys on our battery maintenance program. If we haven't met yet, my name is Levi. I manage national accounts for Pro Charging Systems. Please consider me your point of contact and resource for all things Pro Charging Systems and battery charging. I'll put my info on the screen at the end of the video, but any need you have, don't hesitate to reach out. I don't know all the answers, and I may not have the answer, but at any point in time, I'm within 5 minutes of someone who does. This is the battery maintenance program. For perspective, in the equipment rental industry, an extremely high number of branches use this equipment to reduce their monthly battery cost. Most report to the tune of 75%. Imagine what those kind of savings would do for your branch. So, if you're not familiar with it, here's what you need to know. The battery maintenance program identifies the true state of health of a battery. In the decades leading up to present day, we tested batteries by doing load tests, specific gravity tests, etc., because that's all the technology yielded. Now, some of those tests weren't good for testing deep cycle batteries and yielded inaccurate results. Some of them were tedious and time consuming. The battery maintenance program changed and simplified the way we test deep cycle batteries. It's only 3 steps. Step 1, charge the batteries to a true 100% state of charge. This is done with the Pro Charging Systems Battery System Balancer. The Battery System Balancer uses this charging algorithm that Pro Charging Systems is known for, and it charges the batteries individually to a full state of charge. Skipping this step or using generic charging methods will yield inaccurate results. Step 2, once the batteries are fully charged, which is represented by 4 green lights, remove the leads from the balancer and attach the leads from the discharger. Begin the discharge test. Step 3, once the discharge test is completed, notate the results of the test and recharge the batteries. That's it. 1, 2, 3, done. The main 2 reasons that this program has been so successful is because of the precision with which it tests the batteries and the simplicity of the test. If your branch is not using the battery maintenance program, you're leaving money on the table that belongs to you guys. My name's Levi, and this is Pro Charging Systems.